Hi guys, I'm in Central Park in Manhattan, and when I came to the park today, an individual dressed like a monk, he came up to me and he gave me this lovely card. Um, he then also proceeded to put this on my wrist, and he said, "I wish you peace." After that, he then said if I would donate to a temple he was raising some funds for. Um, why is this a very good example of marketing? It's a brilliant example of marketing. An example of marketing that's been often written about by psychologists. So I wanted to stop and make a video to share this example with you because it's very, very powerful. But for now, pause the video and have a think. Why is it a very good example of marketing?
The reason this is a great example of marketing, sales, and influence is because it's applying the principle of reciprocity. The principle of reciprocity states
That if you're trying to influence people, you are far more likely to get people to do what you want if you first help them. When you help them, they are far more likely, or do something for them for free, they are then far most likely to reciprocate. Why is that? It's because we are social animals. It's hardwired into us to cooperate with one another. It goes back to when we were cavemen and cavewomen. Now, this is something that you can apply to your digital marketing campaigns. The classic example that you often find with most websites is free ebooks. The problem with the vast majority of ebooks is that they are false attempts to really genuinely help potential customers because they very rarely contain actual actionable insights or really great and valuable content. So that's the second key takeaway from this video really is that when you are actually trying to help people, do it authentically. Don't just cut corners and provide your potential customers with hogwash content because then the principle won't really be effective.